2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, passenger airbag, power windows, compass, remote power door locks, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.